And I'm doing this to help anybody that wants to get in shape. Period. Full stop. Have nothing to sell you. Hey everybody, welcome back to Real Fit Hacks. My name is Chris and I'm about to take my shirt off. Okay, here's the deal. I'm not a big fan of taking my shirt off on camera. I'm not really a bodybuilder. I think muscles are cool and I want to look like Superman, and I figured it out. Have people ask me all the time because I'm just a blue collar. We work a lot, but I'm not a bodybuilder. I do not have time for that. You'll never catch me on stage wearing my underwear, okay? So, but today's important for me to show you my physique, and I'm just gonna do it sitting right here. I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it. But you'll see this isn't my starting point, of course. You've seen my fat pictures, and I didn't even take good fat pictures. I should have took them sooner. So you guys that haven't, go ahead and take them. Get some gnarly ones. My body is about as lean as it wants to be. I'm going to have to get just a little bit miserable to get down where I want to take my thumbnail picture for this channel. And I want to do it in front of you guys, okay? I'll just go ahead and do it. I'm going to set the camera to where it's not distorted, because it distorts your body. It makes you look bigger when the camera's back. That's not why I do it. I do it so I can move my arms around and still be in frame and talking right to you guys. But let me set the camera up and we'll get a starting uncomfortable cut, if you will. So, I hold fat in my chest right here. That's usually the first place to gain it and the last place to leave. Of course, belly. I'm sitting down, but I've got something to go, you know? I just got through doing arms, so I got a little pump. Sorry, I got a little pump going on, but this is start. We'll see where we end up in, let's say, 4 to 6 weeks. That's my next trip is in 6 weeks. And the only reason I'm in the shape I'm in now is because I had a trip in January and February. We went to Cancun and we went to Jamaica. We went somewhere else too, I can't remember. But it was all vacations that you had to have your shirt off. So I went ahead and started my cut early. So having those dates, that's another tip. Plan something in 12 weeks. Plan something in 3 months. You might go ahead and plan something for next year if you've got 100 pounds to lose. It's going to take you a year. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to sell you any snake oil. I'm trying to show you exactly what I'm doing. And if I'll try to put a card up here of a cooking video. Go back. I've got cooking videos. I've got another one coming out today. Exactly what I ate today. Working in the shop, stop work, cook. Me and my dad eat real food constantly that I cook. I cook in bulk. My dad helps me in the shop and we eat real food. And when he's here, he gets in shape. It's crazy. He told me a while ago, he said, all I got to do is work here for a week and I go home at my ideal weight. It works. It works, guys. Just lifting weights and eating correctly works so well. I'm not on anabolic steroids. We can talk about testosterone later and supplements and all that crap that people get hung up on. The important thing is your testosterone is where it needs to be. Wherever that is for you, figure it out. Go to the doctor. If you need it, good. If you don't, good. It doesn't matter to me. But what I'm telling you is if you'll lift weights correctly, don't make a big deal out of it, and don't get hung up on supplements, and just do what you need to do and eat right. That's why I'm doing these videos for you guys. This is me trying to help you. If you're listening and you got anything out of this, hit a comment, hit the like button, give me a comment. Seriously, I'm begging you for a comment. Some interaction in the comment section would be super nice. So, guys, have an awesome, awesome day. I'll put the cooking video up next. Later. Here's a serving, here's a serving, here's a serving, and split it down the middle. So it should. Guys, this is so good. It's cheesy. There's tons of different. I wouldn't feel right about just letting you go and not seeing what it looked like while I was eating it. So it's got little cheese on top. It's got all your vegetables, and it is really good. Hope you enjoy it. It's very versatile. You can add whatever carb you want to that meal, and you can cook it in whatever. If you want to cut some more calories, you can cook it in cooking spray if you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a like. I appreciate that. A share is the kindest thing you can do. And subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. Have an awesome, awesome day. We'll see you in the next one. Later.